This is a review of the coffee grinder I got from Amazon. And I guess I'll attach the video to the review if I can figure that out. But I'm using some Starbucks Pike Place roast coffee beans. I like the coffee grinder, it just makes a huge mess. So I'll demonstrate that in the video right now. I'm about to pour the beans inside the set my phone. You can see it's not that full. It's like it's supposed to be below the line, which is well below the line all the way around. And you just plug it in there. Twist the lock. It's pretty easy, simple. Comes with the lid. Place the lid on top. Then just push. It's like a little small button under it. You can see it. Just push.
That's really good job. Grinding.
Then it's pretty much the consistency. I like it. As you use it more and more, you realize it. And this is the messy part, which I don't like at all. So you take the top off. As you can see, some just spilled on the counter. This is the inside of this. So I try and just tap it on there, try to get it back in there, and then all around the base of the coffee maker, you can see it. And try to be cautious and just unscrew it. Again, the same. Unscrew it actually. Just unscrew it. Pops right off. You can see it's more coffee in the base. But other than the mess that it makes, it's pretty good. Pretty good coffee grinder. And you can store whatever you don't use or make with the lid. Just put it in the refrigerator. Lid is pretty airtight. You know, doesn't spill coffee or anything. One thing I did wish you can do, I wish you can take out the grinding portion. I wish you could take the grinder out, because when you're trying to scoop it out, which is what I do, because I use Keurig K-cups. I use this in order to get a spoon in there. Sometimes you get the little grinder, but other than that, it's a nice product.